This was a dark Friday on Wall Street, which closed the week with its worst day of the year after the ninth biggest point drop in history for the Dow Jones.
KCAL9 political reporter Dave Bryan joins us now with more on what it means, what you should, maybe what you shouldn't be doing about this. Dave?
Well, Lena Wan, lots of questions tonight about this week's market meltdown. Why did it happen? What does it mean? And what do we do now? Two nationally respected economists took on those questions. One of them said the stock market was like a dirty shirt that needed to be cleaned. The other said the market was acting like a drama queen today. When the closing bell finally rang on Wall Street, it mercifully ended a miserable day and the worst week of the year. The Dow plummeted more than 530 points on Friday, closing out a week during which it lost more than 1,000 points. But one of the country's most respected economists says this is not the beginning of a sustained decline in the stock market.
I think that this is a classic overreaction to really what I would call a non-event for the fundamentals of the U.S. stock market.
Economist Christopher Thornburg says investors sometimes freak out when the market has a sustained run and reaches new highs, even though he says the current financial numbers and high corporate profits are a sound foundation for the market rally.
The stock market in many ways is what I like to refer to as a 13-year-old daughter of the U.S. economy. It's the ultimate drama queen, right? And this is just that kind of classic sort of meltdown. Yeah, this is a pure psychological situation.
But some other economists disagree. They say an economic slowdown in China, where CBS News reports manufacturing has reached a 6.5-year low, is creating legitimate fear of a global economic decline. And international investors fear the U.S. stock market, which appeared to be the best of a bad lot for making money, was getting overheated.
The U.S. stock market and assets had become the cleanest dirty shirt in the hamper. So everybody was wearing it because it's cleaner than the other dirty shirts. But at some point you realize it's still a dirty shirt.
Thornburg feels that facts don't back that up. And as for the slowdown in China,
what does a slowdown in the Chinese economy mean for the U.S. economy? The answer is not all that much. And as far as trade goes, we buy lots of stuff from China, but we don't sell lots of stuff to them.
Here's Wolf's assessment of what's going on.
We're overdue for a correction. We're starting to get it, but oh boy, is it coming on hard and fast. And that always makes us a little more agitated, and it makes it feel worse than it probably is. So good news, definitely not. Cataclysmic, also definitely not.
And Thornburg has this advice for market traders.
This meltdown's behind us. It's done. You sit still, let it pass. Your money's going to come back to you.
Don't sell.
Don't sell.
Don't freak out.
Don't freak out.
Just wait.
This too shall pass.
Thornburg said he believes U.S. stock markets will recover quickly from this most forgettable week because the recent economic signals about the economy are positive. In 2 weeks, Thornburg says U.S. investors won't even remember this week's decline. Lena, as they say, from his lips to God's ears.
All right, Dave, thank you.